Isa sa mga nag-trending na products nung pandemic ay ang cream cheese ensaymada ng Hola Cafe. From there, marami na silang na-add na ibang products. May more than 30 branches na sila sa iba't ibang malls. That's all throughout Central Luzon. And now, their first cafe in Nepo is celebrating its 1-year anniversary. The highlight of the celebration will be a grand buy one take one of Hola's trending cream cheese ensaymada. But wait, there's more. Meron na ding ibang flavors like sinamisu, ube, matcha, cookies and cream at ang plain flavor. Also, nag-level up din ang Hola Cheese Bread Bites na meron ng 10 mouth-watering flavors ngayon. Available ito sa lahat ng kanilang branches. So on July 22, head over to Hola Cafe and enjoy a buy one get one deal of Hola's trending cream cheese ensaymada. See you there!